Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of a Royal Match. We go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of a Royal Match and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we'll go to Play Store. We'll search about the Royal Match. If you find updates, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.